Hi guys, this is Crafty Cat. Welcome back to my channel and welcome if you're new. We are here with a brand new Temu unboxing, unbagging. Let's grab something out of the bag. Oh my god, look how cute that is. Oh, that is so cute. Hang on. Look how adorable that is. Alright, let's see if we can figure out how to open the bag. This is darling. I love cats. My name's Crafty Cat. I've never had a cat because I'm allergic. And I've asthma, so I couldn't. But look how cute this little bag is. It's got a little cat. He looks like he's sticking out of a pocket or something. I just really love this art style. I think it's adorable. It's the same on both sides. It's not that big. You can see my hand. And it's got a zipper on the top. Let's unzip it. Let's look inside. It's just very plain. But guess what? This only cost $1.78 Canadian. So I could not say no. And let me just quickly grab a pen. Well, it's a pencil. It's a pencil that I use for Inktober to do my sketches. And does that fit? Yes, it does. So it's a little pencil case size. Small and adorable, and I always need little bags for my art stuff, and I think this is just so cute for $1.78. So it's called the Chick Cat Pattern Canvas Makeup Bag. So it says it's a makeup bag. I don't really wear that much makeup, so for me this is going to be a pencil case. It's going to be for art supplies, and it looks bigger. It looks a lot bigger in the pictures that they're showing. It looks much taller than it is when the girl is holding it up. She's got her hand like this and it comes above her finger. So maybe it's a child holding it. I don't know. So I thought it would be quite a bit bigger than it is, but I'm still happy with it. It's smaller than like how long my hand is, and I don't have big hands. So yeah, but it's really cute and I'm not unhappy with it. And for $1, well, today it's $1.59. So it's even cheaper today. So you guys, I don't know how to share the link for where to buy these for you. I'll try to put the link when I put it up if it's still available, okay? But sometimes the links go away and I don't know how else to share it with you. But it looks like it's by, if I click on the store, it says provided by, oh my god, I'm never going to be able to say this. Wan Chen Bao Zen. It's a store. I will write it down here if I can find it again. Okay? So that's the store I bought it in on Temu. And today it's on sale for $1.59. And I paid a little bit more than that. I paid $1.78. So just check the prices. They change daily. If you're interested, I think it's adorable. I'm very happy with it. Alright guys, so if you like that, please give me a thumbs up, hit that like button, hit the subscribe, hit the notification bell, all of those good things to help me as a channel, and most importantly of all, take care, stay safe, and happy crafting. Bye guys.